Hey zoo fans! In this video, we're going to go over how to set up ZoomEd's Repti Rain Automatic Mister. The Repti Rain is an automatic misting machine that can be programmed to run every 1, 3, 6, or 12 hours for 15, 30, 45, or 60-second increments. This mister is great for helping to maintain humid tropical habitats and providing drinking water droplets for specialized animals that prefer not to drink from a dish. Before starting, review the instructions to make sure all the parts of the mister are included. You should find the main misting machine, the AC power adapter, the reservoir cap, and the dual remote sprayer assembly. If you only need a single remote sprayer, simply pull one hose off the dual assembly and attach it directly to the remote spray valve. When setting up the power supply for the Repti Rain, first make sure the switch is in the off position. The Repti Rain has the option to be run on battery power or power from a wall outlet. To use the Repti Rain with batteries, remove the access panel on the back of the main unit, insert 4 C batteries, and replace the cover. To use with a wall outlet, remove the small rubber plug on the front of the unit and plug the included AC adapter into the port. Then, plug the adapter into a surge-protected outlet. When plugging the Repti Rain into an outlet, be sure to include a drip loop to prevent water from running down the cord into the outlet. To create a drip loop, the lowest point of the cord must be below the outlet. When set up correctly, a red light will appear on the front of the unit when turned on. There are several different ways you can mount the Repti Rain on your pet's enclosure. To hang the Repti Rain, first find the hooks on the back of the unit and adjust them to the height that works best for your setup. To adjust the length of the hooks, rotate the hooks towards the unit and they will unlock, allowing for easy adjustment. Rotating them back will lock them into place. To mount the Repti Rain with suction cups, ensure that the glass is completely clean and free of debris, and gently press the suction cups found on the back of the Repti Rain directly onto the glass. Make sure the unit is leveled correctly with the habitat. The Repti Rain can also be placed on a flat, hard surface next to the terrarium. Fill the Repti Rain with water by removing the reservoir cap on the top of the unit. Using reverse osmosis or bottled water will help prevent water deposits from building up and clogging the mister. Once filled, replace the cap. There are multiple ways to set up the sprayer. The first one uses the main spray nozzle at the top of the unit. Adjust the direction of the rotating sprayer cap towards the habitat. Make sure to close the remote spray valve on the opposite end by tightening the star-shaped knob. Then, adjust the spray pattern by twisting the nozzle. To add the remote spray attachment, remove the small rubber cap and loosen the remote spray valve on the top of the unit. Tighten the main spray nozzle and attach the remote spray hose. Situate the hose in the habitat and adjust the spray pattern by twisting the nozzle. Be sure to position the remote sprayer hose above the Repti Rain main unit to prevent a siphon from occurring. The Repti Rain is capable of misting 2 habitats at once. To do this, use the dual remote sprayer and position one spray nozzle in each enclosure. The last thing to do before turning the Repti Rain on is to program the unit. Select the spray interval and duration by twisting the knobs on the front of the unit to the desired options. Once set, the unit can be turned on with the power switch on the front of the unit. To test the mister or reset the timer, turn the unit off for 5 seconds, then on again. The green light will light up whenever the mister is active and spraying. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.